Kriti, now can you hear me?
Yes, when I can hear you now.
Okay, thank you. So, in the previous class, we learned about the forms and importance of the forms, and I have given some examples also on that. So again, I'm again first 10 minutes I will talk about the forms, and then we will go to the another concept, that's model forms. So what I did yesterday, I will reiterate that. So this is about the forms. I given the definitions. So basic forms. So this is the yeah, forms, about the forms. I given some documentation and model forms and form validation and built-in handling of this thing, the creation of forms, and also what is a built-in form I explained, and custom validation and model forms. These are the modern forms. We are using the override and clean method. And I mean, what is the importance of that? That is a data integrity. So there is a few built-in methods, which is in the documentation, Django documentation already. I included here. This is a Django documentation about the validations, and follow this one. And also what we learn about the, I mean, few examples, that is, yeah. Yeah, these examples we learned about how, I mean, given a one name and clean data where we are using after is valid passed, only the screen data will execute. Then the particular data, the data we can see in a console. Yesterday I print the console messages. So once the data is successful, clean data is successful, then we are printing the message. So same thing today also I'm going to talk for 15 minutes. So if you see this Scandic hotels, yesterday I given this example, how they are a real-time application, they are developing the farms. So I go to, I mean, scandichotels.com. Then not only scandichotels.com, you can go any application. They will set up the forms for the application development. So form level development in a seconds. If you anything is wrong value we given in an input box, input fields, that it will throw error that is there in a form field, form validation, that features are there. So I'm opening the, click on the login button. There, one option is there for the sign up to the Scandic hotels. So join, click on join. So this is the sign up fields. So when I right click on that, see this particular HTML. So I will move to this particular input box. So all the, so this is under the form elements. So form, there is a, if you go and there is the method is post. So other information also they are giving, but forget about that. Basically to for the sign up page, page, they are using the forms. So to see these the forms, they are using the method as a post method. Consider the post method. Post method is nothing but we are inserting data. So, while forms developing, most of the time we are using the post data. So I mean, we are just uploading the data and just clicking on submit button, then that way data will be validated. So we are using the post method. So, and if you see this, all the fields, so when I click the S button, what are the required fields are there? It is saying that error, I mean, it is asking that this field is required. And if you give any wrong input, suppose instead of email, if I give only this thing, it's saying that email email for incorrect format. So it's saying that also there is a password field. So the password validations also there. If I give only small letters, then it is validated as a small. I given only small letters, so the uh, I mean when the small letters it is respect to I mean case which is I mean which is the validation is passed. So if I give the uppercase letters, though respect to validation is passed, and if I give number, so like that. So the validation they wrote in the farm level validation they wrote here. So that's what it is showing this respective validations here. Again, same thing. If I'm not giving valid, I mean same. If the password is not matching, then it is not matching. It is another validation. So this is happening at farm level. That's what I'm saying. So I took this Candy Quotas. I know the Candy Quotas. That's what I took this. Of scandyhotels.com. You can go any other applications also, the real-time application. They generally they will use the form level validation. So that's it. I mean, this is the about the form level validation. So again, I will I will write the code yesterday what we wrote. Uh, uh, this time I will take only one field, then I will we will going to validate that field. I already created one project, so go to CMD, the CMD code dot automatically Visual Studio will open. I will pull this Visual Studio. So this is the where it is. I already created this basic forms dot project, so the nothing is there. So go to change your virtual environment. So I'm changing my virtual environment as ENV. What is the base is that web is that my ENV is there. So I changed my environment here. Again, if I if I go terminal, in the terminal, if I clear the screen, Python manage dot py dot run server. So I will copy this URL, go here, browser, enter this browser. So just it's printing welcome page. That's it. I have not given any URL, just only welcome page it is printing. So I'm stopping the server. So now I'm developing a one small field, that is name field. For that name field only, we'll do some validations. So I'm going, I mean, in the basic app, I'm creating a file that is sign, si, sign, sign up dot py. This is the sign up dot py where I need to, first I need to import the form Django import FORM forms. Then I'll create the class form name. It form name. I need to inherit the my forms dot form. This class I need to inherit. So then what is the name? Name is equal to forms dot char field. There is a char field is there. Just open and close. That's it. So I'm taking only one field, that is a char field. Then after this, I need to go to the view page. We go to view page, I need to import my class, that is form dot import my sign up form. I have imported sign up form. So here def for volume. Yeah, for only I'm creating I created the name, right? Name, view. So here I need to pass the request. So I pass the request. Just what I will do, I will return render. Just I will use the same syntax. Request render. Here I'm passing the sign up. SIGN 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 up.html. Same sign up.html. I'm creating the under template. I'm creating that. So template folder is already is there. So go to create a template.html. So now again I'm copy paste this content, copy paste. This is F4 RM form page. Welcome to the form. So sign up page. SIGN sign up. This is also sign up page. SIGN sign up. So once the sign up page is ready, so we need to configure this particular sign up field. So what I will do, I will copy paste this in dot SI sign up. So sign up, I'm giving this sign up slash. So yeah, I have created one form field. Uh, Form field is there, and view field is there. View field just I'm rendering with how the HTML is displaying URL already. So just I will up the server whether the sign up page is working or not. I'll check that. So what is missing? Index. So here this is sign up page. So here, okay, it's the frame. Okay, it is going to form page. It's supposed to should not go very here. So view starts with not the form page here. What is the method name? This is the method name. You go to URL. Here, give this name. Now, when I run the server, Control C, enter. So copy this and go to URL again. Go to here and what is my sign up page? Sign up dot. Here, this should be a welcome sign up. Yeah, it's a welcome sign up. So the HTML page template is ready. Now I'm going to write some code for the validation. Go to signup.py where I will write what I will do. I will create this field, right? So I mean, I'm using only first built-in mode validation, that is suppose form Django dot core, sorry, dot. So I will start the server. It is core dot validator. This is the import uh, minimum 10th validator. So here validator is equal to under the array. This should be a minimum length should be what I'm going just give the 5. So then after that, this is the form field. So again, I'm going here in a sign up page. This is the form F4RM form. So remove this, the main method. This method is POST. You can give a small or big, not a problem. So here in a sign up page, I need to include the what you call this what you call the SDN, Bootstrap SDN. Bootstrap, go to Bootstrap SDN, click on this. So go to CSS, copy this HTML, again go to just paste it here. That's it. So again, this is where this is the form, right? So before sending the form, we need to go here. We need to suppose this is SI. I mean, I'm giving some name like FORM form is equal to FORM 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 dot form dot uh, not the form. This is the sign up, right? SIGN sign up dot what is our method name? What is our method name? Class yeah, class name form. So just I'm passing the comma in a tuple. This is from F4 RM F4 RM form comma F4 RM form. This value I'm passing. That's it. Here, yeah, form name I'm passing here. Everything is same. And this is the return statement. I will go to here. I will use this F4 RM form. Just I will use this form, and here what I will tell HTML page. So here H1 I'm asking to go to dash SIGN up page. So once it is went to sign up page, I'm just printing the form. So already we know, right? That is, it is we need to print in a paragraph lines, paragraph and paragraph. I mean line by line. It will give this as underscore p. It will print the line by line. So that's it. And already view is there. View we are passing the form and the model. Where is the model? Sign up model. Here sign up model is there. Just I created the one name field. Yeah, everything is correct. Just we will see run server and go to this page. So context must be rather than set. So what I did here, something is wrong. I did here instead of colon, I given a comma. Again, go to here. So now it is displaying the name field. So if I now I'm going here again, HTML page. Under the sign up HTML page, I will give one input field, input, that is submit, SUB, I might submit where VA value is equal to SUB, I might submit, and class I will use class is equal to bootstrap class. I will use the bootstrap this thing to get the bootstrap related. Go to here bootstrap watch. Here it will go to the number of web pages. I think it is too slow. Bootstrap awesome. Anything. Bootstrap. What happened to this page? Bootstrap icons. Look the icons. I don't know why it is not loading. Okay, fine. I will take the. I will take from this thing. Wait, it's a bootstrap is not loading. Close this. Okay, it is under. It is like here. It is like btn underscore btn primary. This is the bootstrap. The bootstrap btn primary, correct? btn space btn primary. This is a bootstrap a class. So we given a this thing. Again, I'm going here. I will refresh it again. The button is displayed. But here, the things are like we added this thing. I will add same thing in home page also. Okay, home page also I had added. Okay. The thing is that here it displays left side, right? I need to add one div here. Div under div. I will add this thing here. Div class 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 is equal to container CONTAINER container. Now again refresh this thing. Yes, displaying the middle of that web page, but not the middle of the just it is formatted. So now the whole name field is there. If I enter something, uh, when I it is when I and it is showing that now if you see this page, it is saying that CSRF verification failed, request aborted. So what is that meaning? That we need to add this token. I will add this token so that you will get to understand. So I will go HTML page again. I will add this particular token either anywhere you can up. I will add this token again. I will refresh this thing. So now the error is not displaying. If I give only V, so now it is the error is not displaying. So go to console, log, inspect. So if you see this form, there is the one hidden field that is CSRF middleware token. This is automatically it will create once you added the CSRF token in the HTML page. That is where our form will be get the secure form. That's the use of that CRF to get that is about that I already spoke. Already I given a definition. To get the definition, go to here. So here about the CRF token, CRF token. CRF token is indeed used in Django form for preventing cross-site request forgery (CSRF) token attacks. CSRF tokens are a security measure used to protect against unauthorized actions performed by attackers on behalf of authenticated users. It will protect us for the unauthorized actions. In Django, when you render a form using the uh, in a CRF token template tag, inserts a hidden input field with the CRF token. So once you use that, it will create one hidden field, that is input field, one hidden input field, that is this one. This is the input hidden field, and hidden field. This token is unique for session. This is the unique for the session and is required for any post request made to the server. When the form is submitted, Django validates this token to ensure that the request originated from the same site and wasn't forged by a malicious third party, including CSRF token in your form templates is considered a best practice for ensuring the security of your Django application. So it will generate the one unique what you call token that is unique for this session. If I stop and start the server, this number will be changed. This particular this random authentic and this particular CSRF token will be changed. That is it will give the security to our application. Now here I given a name. It has so what I will I mean here what I did. I went to here. If you see this sign up page, I given a form validator. Length is should be 5, but this supposed to throw the error. Why it is not throwing error? I'm checking now. So where validator is equal to name forms dot chrome. Sorry, field where this one 5. So I will go here. The sign up. Yeah, sign up form and what I did. So what we'll do here, we will write some code so that you will what happening, what is the problem, we'll get to know that. So request, I will stop the server. if I do any changes, request equal to request equal to sorry request dot method equal to post post method is required post the same thing, right? We also is a post, whether it's small or big, not a problem. So post, then I'm asking to print something else. Yeah, print after post I'm at print validation validation su su cc success full full full, and if else else print validation failed failed. So and again the value I'm printing here, print with the validation successful, I'm asking to print the name equal to here name I'm passing. To print the name, what I need to do here, uh, directly not the name. One second. Here from the forms sign up form where I need to pass this thing. Form dot clean data. As I said, the clean data. Then passing the name, name. So once again, I will up the server. Now I will copy this. I think I will close the browser. I will copy again. This time I will use the uh, private mode. Go to here, the sign up page. Go to sign up page. Enter here. Enter something. When it is it is saying that form object has no attribute clean data from name. So that's the problem. I need to find out that. So here, so sign up. This is sign up. Where from name is there, right? Here, from name forms dot create name, and when I come here, sign up. So after sign up, after this validation is completed, where we need to pass this thing. This is the mistake I did. Form, sorry, form form equal to, again I will use this sign up page. So this time I will pass the request dot post. So that's the only thing I missed here. Form equal to sign up dot form name request. Now again I will go to my 122. Then I will copy this thing. I will paste it here. Enter. Then do something. Let me see this. So again, name object has no attribute clean data. Name object has no attribute clean data. Form is the form that clean data where, what is this? Why it is not there? I didn't get to form name. Already sign up for field is there. Yeah, and form name and request method correct post form sign up form is equal to post. So then after that, oh, sorry, I forgot to, we need to check the form, right? So if, if, if form, if F4 or M form dot is underscore valid, valid, then only I'm asking to, I'm going to this particular, I'm asking to print this particular form, and else also same thing. So before going to clean data, compulsory we need to use the is validate. So again, I will go here, refresh this thing. Now, hopefully this will work. Okay, I need to up the server, run server, go to here. Now again, I'm giving some data, but nothing is happening. Suppose if I go when I, so it is saying that ensure that this has at least 5 characters. So it has 8 characters. So we are giving, it is validating that. So if you give more than, begin the error, if I give the only when it is allowing. So it is not allowing more than, that is the validation we here, we developed here. Max length should be 5 characters. If you give more than that, it is throwing the error. That is the validation. So now our form is working as expected. So yesterday might be here, we stuck here. Now it is working. Before calling the clean data, compulsory we need to use the we need to is validate. So if you see this console, the name is Vinay. It is saying that and validation is successful. So we are able to see the data also in the console. And yeah, that is about the built-in. This is the built-in method where already it is there Django. So if you want more about this validators, look, go to this thing and the Django uh, form validation. Yeah, the documentation, form validation documentation is there. So go to this one. Please understand this clean data, why we need a clean data. Everything they form.clean, everything they given a good documentation. So try to understand this documentation is validates. Other things also there, full underscore clean. So clean is there. Clean is the field where it is clean. If you want to clean only, suppose I want to clean only farm, so then it will we can provide the clean name. It will clean the entire all the fields. So please understand this documentation. Try to read this documentation whenever you are getting a time. Please go through this documentation. A lot of examples are there. I'm closing this one. I'm closing this one. And what we did. So now I will create one, what is custom validation. Django, I'm stopping here. I'm stopping here. Just I will create one Django custom validator. So what I will do, the first, the check check uh, uh, first first F5 first char char should be M. So here I'm passing the value. So if value of 0, 0 not equal to M, if the value is not equal to M, then erase forms dot form the validation error. Say the name should SHOU should be name should start with the M, CHR cat M. So here I'm using the dot LOW lawyer. I'm making a, so I'm passing this particular custom validation to here again. Now I will run the server again, and again I will go to here. So the name, I'm removing this thing. So if I do the Mahesh something, I think this is a big name. What I will do, I will make it as the 8. If the Mahesh is there, it's not throwing there. Suppose the name is starting with something, so the it is name should start with the M letter. So that validation, this is the custom validation where this is the custom validation, it is working. And also model validations where yesterday we discussed about the model validations also, def, def, clean, clean. So here clean, what I need to pass here, self. This is where self is the uh, all clean underscore data. I'm stopping the server. It is clean data equal to, you need to invoke the super class. Yes, we need to use the super uh, class clean methods, clean method, clean, then name equal to all clean data. What is that? Our field name. It contains the name field, comma, if name not equal to suppose Vinay. If the name is not equal to Vinay, there is validation validation error. So before that, we need to import the validation error that is there in a form Django dot core core dot exception import validation error. For same validation error, I'm writing here. Validation error same name name sorry name error. What is the name? Here I'm passing the name here. So we will see this validation error. This model error, which is I develop. Now again, I will invoke the server. So now I will remove this thing, and this two I will use the only. So I will go here. I will refresh this thing. That's the problem. So again, Control C on the server. I'm not passing any this thing, any errors. Just I'm using the clean. So just I'm going to again 122. Go here, sign up page. If I give if I give comma, so it is throwing as the validation error. So the name error. So we will need it will accept the only Vinay. So if I give any another value, suppose Pavan, Pavan. So it will supposed to not accept because we are giving the model validation. That's it. So now today I explained the reiterated yesterday's class. So this is about the form validation. So Shruti, are you clear, right?
Yes, Vinay.
Yeah. Now Now I'm going to talk about the form model validation. Before going to the model validation, I will read the documentation so that you will get to understand. So regarding the model validation, so model validation. What is the use of 1 second here? Somewhere I given the model validation. This is the data integrity, and that's fine. Yes, under the basic validation, I given a model. Yeah, model form. So this is the model form. So in a Django, a model form is a powerful tool for creating a form based on model Django models. It automatically generates form fields based on the fields in a model, making it easier to create, validate, and process forms associated with the database models. Here, how you can use the model form. Model sub form basically how it will do, it will insert the data. Basically, it will for the database operations we can use the model form. Yeah, so this is the defining. Suppose this is the already we've seen that these fields name, email, message. We need to create after that under the model forms instead of what we given here in this example, we are using the forms dot model. We are inheriting the forms dot model instead of what we need to forms dot model form we need to inherit. Then there is a meta. One class is the inner class. We need to use this structure meta. Then model equal to model my model where this is the my model class which is that is there I need to create. Then we need to pass the fields. So what are the fields are there? Name, email, message. So I need to pass this all the fields. Once they pass this, next thing is same. So there is a CRF token, then that's it. Under view, we have to mean same thing. We need to check the is validate, and here after entering the data, we need to save the file, then return. And nothing is, I mean, I will talk about the redirect in the coming classes, but we need to return. Yeah, then we are passing the same thing what we did for the model, which when we are working on database thing, same thing we need to work here, but now we are working on model form. So the same example I will take now. So here I'm going to this page. I'm closing all the things. I will create a model. Say that model form. Assume that instead of I'm creating one easy form that is easy. Okay, already model is there, right? So I'm going to here under the model. So model here I'm use the class product pro. I'm stopping the server pro du city product. I'm passing the uh, model start model. This is for the model creation model. This is the superclass of this model del model. Then what are the fields I can take? Name equal to models dot yes, char field. Yeah. Then can pass the max length is equal to 100 something. Then the description de yes, yeah, right. Description equal to models dot is the text field again price. Yeah, right. See price is equal to models dot models dot what is the decimal field? This is the decimal field. Decimal field. So max digits is equal to 10 and precision decimal places is equal to 2. Then that's it. Here description spelling is incorrect. Description, yeah, description. Then this is the model form. Then I'm going to, yeah, that is about the model form. After the model form, we need to go to my form. So there, it will sign up form. So here I'm creating the form dot models. There is a import. product. I have imported the product. So there, just I will create a class product. We are product for form colon. So here we need what we need to pass here forms dot model model form. So then we need to use class meta. This is the meta. And there's mod. What is the model here? Model. Model is equal to product where I created already. Then fields fi. What are the fields are there? fields. Fields is equal to all the fields. First field is name, comma, next field is description, next field is description, next field is price. So I created the model and I pass the three fields. Then after that, go to URL page. Here I need to add the my path. Path equal to under this path pro du ct product colon comma views dot we not yet added the view. So go to view page where here I need to use the view. So in this view, I need to create a one method that is create a form. So in this def create underscore product here pro du city product. We need to pass the request 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 colon request colon. The same thing what we did here. I will copy from the above. If this is post method, then I need to create a form form equal to product. So we need to import the product here. Form dot form dot. What is my sign up? As sign up import product form is there. Sign up under sign up product form is there. Correct. So product form product form dot we need to pass the request. This is the same thing. I pass this thing. Then if form dot is underscore valid, then I'm asking to form dot save. I'm saving the what are the data we entered in the dot. We are saving in it. We are saving that. Then return something. I'm returning to this particular. I'm returning to this HTML page. After we're supposed to go with the rendering, redirecting, but at present I'm using this return statement. If yes, so form.s rendering. That's it. So then we need to else something is broken. Else what I will do form form is equal to product form. So then I need to completely return something. One second, if something is okay. So here I'm returning the statement return again same render colon request comma something that is create underscore pro dot du city product dot html. So what I need to pass here form colon form. So I need to create this file. Go to here, go to template page, create a file. So this is the file. I'm going here again. I'm copying this content from here. I'm going to paste it here. So yeah, remaining same. Submit button. This is not the form. This is the product page. DUCT product page. Pro DUCT product page. Welcome to products page. Then we are using the for everything is same. So I went to here. Then we need to use the what is that? Create product comma name equal to create something. We need to pass this thing. I will use this syntax. So now everything is good. So we created a model. That is the model name. I mean, this is the model product is a model. So we pass this thing, these fields. So we need to register the model also. So how to register? So we have the admin is there, right? Admin dot site dot register. What I need to register? Our product. So form dot models. There is a import product. So I need to register the product. Okay, I need to register the product. So I think we did everything. So again, I'm going to some documentation, earlier documentation regarding the.
And I have a question. Why did we use render in views?
So to populate, I mean here, I'll show you. You are asking about this question, right? Rendering.
Yes.
So in order to send the response to the HTML, so we are using the rendering. This is rendering.
So
You are getting.
is it specific to the models or even for the forms? Because we did not use render in forms.
Forms is different. Forms where we are using the we are to validate the forms and we are declaring variables there. So we are declaring and we are adding the validations in a forms are nothing but where we are it is contains only the validation area. This is the
Okay.
validation part. But when come to the view only the where I spoke right MVT model view template. So the view model we are whatever the data we are whatever the logics we wrote here. Finally, we need to render that to HTML page. HTML page is nothing but our thing has templates. We are rendering our whatever the data we prepared to the template. That's where we are using the renders.
Okay.
So going forward, I will introduce some more other things. Instead of rendering, we can use the redirect and other things also there. I mean, tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, I will talk those things also regarding the redirecting. Yeah. So what we did here, we already created a HTML page, create HTML, and URL is fine. Product URL. Did I miss anything? I will check my notes. So go to forms. I think somewhere model foreign key. No, no. So we created, then we registered admin page and URL is there, template is there. Yeah, everything is came. Now I'm running the server. So I'm opening this page. So now what I will do, we'll copy this. I'll go to index page, H1, something go to product. So I will, again, I will go to here. I will refresh this thing, copy. Okay, something. So copy this thing slash product. So it is saying that cannot access local variable form where it is not associated with the value. So it is a line number 31. So we need to see again. Go here again, copy, close all the things, go view line number 31. So what we did here, same thing, right? There, that is under the view, line number 31, create product. Create product, line number 31, request, create HTML,
I think
and
it's because of the indentation in line 30. So there is space between the form. Yeah.
this thing, it's the problem actually, the space is problem. Oh my God. Yesterday also we stuck with this type of the issues. So if condition again, create HTML, where is the 30 line, rendering, request, create HTML, already create HTML, product HTML is there, a forum, form, product form. Oh my God, so form dot save. We given everything correct. Post, request, post. Again, I will go here. I will refresh this thing. It won't work. Again, Control C, stop the server, then start it. I will go to product. It is not working. What is the problem here? What is the problem with this code? So here, again, I'm stopping the server. We go to the HTML page, home page. Again, if I give the product. Yeah, now it is working. Why it's what I did? I think somewhere as I removed the space, I guess. That's what, okay, it's okay. Because of because of space issue, it's throwing error. So now somewhere I removed the space. I think I removed here. It is working. I don't know. Okay, anyway, fine. We have the product here. We have the products. So, okay, now what I will do, I will stop the server. I will stop the server. So we not yet migrated to the database. What I need to do, we need to migrate the database. First thing is that what commands I need to use? Uh, Python, Python, manage data, make migrations, make migration, basic, basic underscore app is enter this one. So the product is migrated. Now Python manage that file, my array migrate. Now these things are migrated. Now I will create a super user, create, sorry, Python manage.py. What is that? Create super user, enter. So super is admin and password is root or what you root at the rate 123. Oh, sorry, it is email ID, right? Email ID is something admin at the rate gmail.com. gmail.com and root at the rate 123 root sorry root at the rate 123 success. Now I will run the server python manage.py run server run server. So here again I will go to admin page, my admin page, admin root at the rate 123. So here products created, there is no records here. Now again I will go to my products page, products page. What I will do, I will do something name, what is a laptop, oh, a sample test. Price should be $5,000 something. Submit. So again, it will go this thing. Now go to admin page. So now see this, the product is added, laptop sample. So that's where this is important. Shruti, you understood it? I mean, what I did now? We created one product using the. So now what we did? We created one form. So this form, if you go to inspect here, inspect, there is inspect. I mean, what is in a CRF field is added. That is already is the unique for the entire session. But input button, I mean, one input button is there. Remaining fields are name, description, other fields. So that is about the this is where post method. Once we use the post method, then entire form will be submitted. So that's where we did. So for this, we can add the validations also there. Suppose if I go to here, close all the things, close the server also. Now make it down, sign up. So what we did here, so sign up, suppose you can add the validation message also here. So here I have the form name is there, right? So I will take the, I mean, here name, here we can make, I mean, I will show you something. We can add the value, suppose the name is there right here under the models, dark field. We can create it here also. Here also we can pass the max length, comma, value data that is equal to max length, max length. So, and also this models, which is, again, I need to import this model. So fine. I mean, we can add the validations part also here. So tomorrow I will talk about that because time is up now. This part tomorrow we will what we'll do tomorrow, we will take the same file, we will add the validations here so that you will get to understand how the validations part in a models dot also models form also. So Shruti, if you have any notes, please let me know. Uh,
For now, I have no questions, Vinay.
yeah. So tomorrow I will talk remaining, I mean, another concept. I'm stopping here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.